This 2016 Jayco Jay Flight 38BHDS2BDRM Front Bunks, Rear Queen is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 40 feet 3 inches in length and features a tan, cream, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 9, external shower, skylight, slide-out, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Jay Flight 38BHDS2BDRM Front Bunks, Rear Queen is 8,890 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.